Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen and Home Review. Today we're exploring 10 Amazon Kitchen Gadgets Review Best Food Prep Tools 2025 that you probably didn't know you needed. But once you see them, you'll definitely want them in your kitchen. So friends, let's start. Potato ricer. Mashing potatoes made easy. Don't you wish you can create perfectly smooth and fluffy mashed potato with less effort? With our Priority Chef Ricer Masher kitchen tool, you can achieve a creamy, heavenly dish quickly and conveniently. Simply squeeze on the long handle of our potato press for perfect mash. Large deep basket for quicker ricing. Holding a max capacity of 15 ounces, 3 mm ricer holes, you will have your mashed potatoes prepared quicker yet finer output than using other kitchen gadgets. You can also use it for other veggies like soft carrots, turnips, yams, and even use a baby food masher. Easy cleanup, top rack dishwasher safe. Crafted from 100% rust-proof materials, the Priority Chef Potato Ricer is resistant to stains, corrosion, and deformation. And with its non-stick material, the spuds will simply slide off. Any food residue is easily rinsed off with running water. It's easy to use and easy to clean. Pancake Batter Dispenser. Batter up. KP Kitchen proudly presents to you our durable and reliable pancake dispenser cupcake batter dispenser. Made entirely of high-quality BPA-free plastic, this easy-to-use 4-cup capacity pourer is designed with a wide mouth opening, making filling it up a breeze, and the quick close valve makes pouring the perfect pancake like a pro seem like child's play. New updated design to prevent breaking. Our redesigned pulley handle has been repositioned to ensure quality and durability. In short, IT won't break. So squeeze away pancake after pancake. Not to mention our fail-safe valve doesn't leak, leaving your hands and kitchen clean and making it safe to use by your little kids. Best of all, it's 3/4 inch wide, allowing for chunky muffin mix to slide through easy breezy. Pasta Strainer Clip. Quick draining on strainer is designed for efficient draining. Its easy-to-use mechanism allows for quick separation of liquids from solids, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Easy storage. This strainer's compact size means it takes up minimal space in your kitchen, making it an ideal choice for those with limited storage. Its slim profile allows for easy storage in cabinets or drawers, keeping your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Convenient clip design. Our pasta strainer features an innovative clip design that easily attaches to various sizes of pans, pots, or bowls. Olive Oil Sprayer. Lifetime assurance. We stand behind the quality of our oil dispenser for kitchen. If you experience any issues or are not completely satisfied, simply reach out to us anytime. Our lifetime support ensures you can use this kitchen essential with confidence and peace of mind. Dual dispensing. This oil mister offers both spray and pour options for total control while cooking. It's a versatile oil dispenser. Bottle spray and pour as needed to keep your kitchen clean, organized, and efficient. Precision spray nozzle. The olive oil spray bottle features a nozzle that delivers a fine mist or steady stream, offering precise control. It's perfect for drizzling or spraying, making it an essential oil bottles for kitchen. Control oil intake. Each spray dispenses 0.15 g of oil, helping you manage your daily intake. This cooking oil sprayer is designed for healthier, more controlled cooking with minimal waste. Manual Can Opener. Strong and powerful stainless steel blade. Finally, a more powerful can opener. Sharp and durable 100% stainless steel cutting wheel will easily puncture all types of cans, rust-resistant for long-lasting use. Heavy-duty construction for easier opening. Effortless can opening is here. The can opener features an extra-large turn knob that allows you to easily open the can with little effort, so you work with the motion instead of against it. Also includes stainless steel construction for a seamless cut and oversized handles that make for an easier grip. Extra smooth cut. The can opener easily latches to the lip of your cans and locks securely in place to help provide a clean, smooth, continuous cut. Lunch Container Set. Meal Prep, Food Storage Portion Control. Revolutionize your meal prep routine with these versatile meal prep containers, glass with lids. Ideal for crafting meals, portioning food, and maintaining structured nourishment throughout your bustling week. Designed to fit lunch bags, these adult lunch containers are suitable for picnics, office meals, or lunches on the go. Cook and bake in conventional ovens up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, lid off, for delicious homemade creations that go from oven to table effortless. Your all-in-one glass food container set. Embrace meal preparation organization with this 4-pack variety set. It includes two of our 2-compartment and two of our 3-compartment food container style glass bento boxes for adults with airtight lids. Portion management has never been this convenient. Each of the glass meal prep containers with lids holds up to 32 ounces, offering managed servings for your nutritional planning needs. Manual chicken breast grinder. Premium material chicken shredder tool is made of high-quality food-grade material, BPA-free and heat-resistant. Make it safe, sturdy, and durable. Effective shredding cut cooked meat into small pieces and place in the food shredder and cover. Turn the lid with the handle to shred the meat in seconds. Dishwasher Safe Meat Shredder Tool Twist is heat-resistant up to 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Allows the chicken breast shredder machine to be conveniently put in the dishwasher for cleaning without worrying about melting. Anti-skid base shredded chicken tool is fitted with non-slip adhesive strips that add stability and keep the meat shredder machine in place during use. This ensures comfortable and easy operation even during heavy use. Great kitchen helper, perfect for fitness enthusiasts, barbecue lovers, or those who love to cook. This meat grinder effectively shreds chicken, pork, beef, and other vegetables, widely used for tacos, quesadillas, and barbecue pork. Knife Sharpener Kit. Precision sharpness, lasting edge. Professional chefs invest in high-quality knife sharpener. Protect your tools with the YOHO Rolling Knife Sharpener. Its intuitive design restores razor-sharp edges in seconds, maintaining peak performance for extended use. Perfect for home cooks and experts alike, achieve professional-level precision effortlessly. Diamond Ceramic Dual Discs. The YOHO Rolling Knife Sharpener Kit combines number 400 diamond grit, industrial-grade abrasives, and number 1000 ceramic disc for precision sharpening. How to use a knife sharpening kit. First, grind away dull edges with diamond, then polish with ceramic, achieving razor-sharp results in minutes. 15-degree 20-degree magnetic support. The YOHO Rolling Knife Sharpener ensures consistent grinding angles, vital for precision. Knife sharpeners features dual-angle modes, 20 degrees ideal for daily kitchen knives, 15 degrees for ultra-sharp edges or fine cuts. Adapting to diverse needs, excludes serrated blades/scissors. Lemon Squeezer. Squeeze out every drop of juice. Our 2-in-1 lemon squeezer won't waste a single drop from your favorite fruit. We have designed this lime juicer to be easy on hands. Watch limes, lemons, and small oranges beg for mercy, even with a soft squeeze. The holes at the bottom of the citrus juicer serve as a seed filter to prevent the pulp and seeds from getting in your way. Save time and space. You no longer have to worry about power, replacing batteries, or even bulky juicers crowding your kitchen counter with our easy-to-store citrus squeezer. Lemon Zester Cheese Grater. Comfortable to use, built to last. Heavy. Checkmark. The hand grater has a razor-sharp stainless steel blade that won't rust and a comfortable, non-slip handle. Its unique curved sides make it extremely rigid and allow you to apply more force when it's needed. Save space in the kitchen and drawer. Heavy. Checkmark. Replace your bulky, unsafe, and hard-to-clean box grater. Cheese Grater Electric. Cheese grater with container or heavy electric food processor with a single dice. Classic Zester Grater food shredder. The metal Parmesan cheese grater teeth won't clog up the way other graters for kitchen do, so it's a snap to clean. Just pass your cheese grater under running water. Improve your cooking. Heavy. Checkmark. Amaze your friends with new, restaurant-like recipes. Add strong new flavors with fresh lemon zest without any bitter pith taste. When using the Chef Zester with hard cheeses such as Parmesan, you'll get a nice pile of grated cheese that melts almost instantly on hot pasta. So, which gadget surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Kitchen and Home Review, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest Amazon finds. So, friend, thanks to you for watching the full video.